In this video, I'll introduce the Interior Designer, a tool used for arranging virtual spaces with 3D models. Go to the menu and select Interior Editor. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a panel with 3D models that can be placed inside the 3D environment, in this case a Matterport scan. The library is organized into categories, including consumer electronics, decorations, IoT devices, and building components such as walls. At the bottom, you'll find the My Models category. Simon allows you to import your own 3D models. You can also use external company libraries. More and more retailers now provide 3D models of their products. These models can be uploaded into Simon, allowing you to preview how they will look inside your design space. Let's create an office workspace arrangement. First, select a desk and chairs from the Furniture category. Click on the model you want to use, then click the location where you'd like to place it. Use the arrows attached to the model to position it correctly inside the 3D space. You can move the model up and down, left and right, by dragging the arrows. At the bottom of the screen, you can switch to rotation mode. By dragging the colored rotation guides, you can rotate the model in any direction. After positioning the first objects, continue selecting additional elements and place them where needed. You can freely navigate through the space using your mouse and keyboard to position the models as accurately as possible. By switching to the dollhouse or floor plan view, you can see the overall layout of the entire space. In these views, you can also move the 3D models, making space arrangement even more efficient. When finished, click Save. On the left side of the screen, click the button to open the Layout Manager panel. Here, you'll find all of your saved layouts. After selecting a layout, you'll see all 3D models added to the space. After exiting the Interior Editor, inside the 3D walkthrough, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll find an icon showing a crossed-out sofa. Clicking this icon will display the 3D models used in your space arrangement. Using the drop-down list, you can switch between your saved layouts. Simon also allows you to view the product card for each 3D model. Simply click on a model to display product information such as the image, name, and price. Click the icon again to hide the 3D elements and return to the clean scan view. Thank you for watching.